Lemon cakes aren't exclusive to one country. From Italy's lemon cake to Japan's lemon pound cake, people worldwide adore the zesty flavor of citrus in their cakes. Welcome back to Bloggin Good Food. I'm John. Today we are drawing inspiration from various regions to create a unique lemon cake. So get set for a delightful global journey through taste, one bite at a time. So get your bowls, turn on your ovens, and let's make some sunshine. Ingredients: 1/2 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup butter, soft, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, zest of 2 lemons, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1/2 cup milk. For the lemon glaze, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Step 1. Alright, let's get ready for some lemon magic. First, we are gonna heat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a loaf pan. Trust me, a little greasing helps a lot to stop sticking. Step 2. Now, in a medium bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, and salt. They are the dry, fluffy base for our lemon cake. Step 3. In another bowl, beat together the soft butter and sugar until light and fluffy. It's like making a sweet cloud. Step 4. Add those eggs one at a time, beating well after each one. Don't forget to add a bit of vanilla for more flavor. Step 5. Here comes the sun. Zest your lemons as much as you want. Then add the zest and lemon juice to the batter. Mix it up until you have a pretty yellow batter that smells amazing. Step 6. Time to mix. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in 3 parts with the milk in between. Gently fold everything together until just mixed. Remember, we want a smooth batter, not a storm. Step 7. Pour the batter into your pan and put in the hot oven. Bake for about 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick in the middle comes out clean. While the cake cools, let's make a glaze that's perfect match. Just mix together the powdered sugar and lemon juice until smooth and runny. It's like a sweet lemony rain for your cake. Step 9. Once the cake is cool, pour that beautiful glaze all over it, letting it drip down the sides like a lemony waterfall. And voila, your masterpiece is done. There you have it, folks, a lemon cake that's light, fluffy, lemony, and sure to make your day. Add some nuts, some lavender, or even some whipped cream for a different twist. For more yummy recipes and baking tips, go to blogginggoodfood.com and subscribe to our channel.